Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you're all doing good, and in this video I'm going to talk about 10 different tools which you can use to improve your next web development project. And all of them are free of cost, so you can use them in any of your project without paying anything. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I upload videos related to coding, designing and other technical stuff. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first one on our list is wireframer.org. It can be used to generate wireframe for your text. You can also use it to show your users that data is loading, maybe even for mockup. You can adjust the radius, heights, spacing, colors and all. And finally, they provide you the SVG format which then you can use in your project. So the next step in our list is dummy.io. As you can tell from the name itself, it can be used to generate data for your projects. And the cool features about this tool is that it provides a lot of options for you to generate data like users, articles, blog posts, etc. Let's try to generate a blog post. And the other thing is that you can generate data as per your need. Like if you want to generate 10 data for your project, you can just type in 10 and it will automatically generate data for you. Suppose you want to show your front end to a client or maybe to a teacher, you can use these generated data as a mockup. Finally, you can download the data as CSV or JSON for your project. On number 10, we have Tabbied avatar. You can use this tool to generate unique avatars for your maybe users or anything. You just have to put the numbers or maybe even letters and it will generate unique avatars for your project. You can choose from different types like male, female, human or maybe even both. And the cool part about this tool is that it provides you HTTP API. It provides you HTTP API which makes it easier for you to use avatars directly in your project without installing any dependencies. Next up we have Lorem Ipsum. I hope you have used this or maybe have seen this text before like Lorem Ipsum $set emit. But on this website you can generate Lorem Ipsum. You can customize the number of paragraphs like 10 if you want 10 paragraphs or sentences or even words. It can generate anything for you. And it helps you to generate tons of sentences and paragraphs to preview your content without actually. You can use these texts in place of your titles or maybe subtitles if you are running out of ideas what to write there. So it's very common. Next up on our list is Lorem Picsum. You can use this tool to generate Lorem Ipsum for photos. You can use this to use as your placeholder or maybe banners. It has a lot of cool features like you can customize the size of your photos like 200 by 300. If you want, you can find all the list of images IDs on this link. Also, if you want to use, you can use static random images. You can grayscale your picture, or if you want, you can blur too. Also, you can adjust the blur amount by providing the number between 1 to 10. There are some advanced usage too, which you can check by visiting picsum.photos. And this is really helpful because it doesn't require any dependencies or any plugins. You can directly use in your project by using HTTP API. And on number 6 we have undraw.co. You can use this tool to find perfect illustration for your project. If you want, you can adjust the color and it's live. Finally, if you want, you can download the SVG or PNG. And the cool thing is that it's open source and completely free to use. You don't have to pay a single buck. You can use them in any of your project without crediting them. Or if you're a good one, you can credit them. And next in our list is probably the coolest one. And it's called Shape Divider. You can create beautiful SVG shape divider. And there are lots of options, like you can change the shapes. You can change the colors. Or if you want, you can flip it. You can change the top, bottom. You can adjust the height or width. And the most of them is that you can change the view mode, so you can test how will it look on different devices. Finally, you can download SVG or copy CSS or HTML. And on number 8 we have Tabbied. You can generate beautiful arts on Tabbied. There are lots of options like radius, mixtape, Odessa, symmetry, etc. You can also customize the rows and grids, adjust your frequency, shadows, or you can even change the colors based on your need. Finally, you can export them in PNG format. This one is my favorite to generate blob, wave, gradients, scatters, and many of them. And it comes with tons of features, like you can change the canvas size, you can change the style from solid or outline, you can change interpolation from wave, peak, or stab. You can also customize the directions and of course colors. You can adjust the complexity or contrast or balance. And there are tons of features like layer waves, and finally you can download them in SVG or PNG as per your need. If you are tired finding a perfect background for your website, you can always visit coolbackgrounds.io. You can generate unique backgrounds for your website. And finally, you can download them in PNG and use it as a background. That is all for now, guys. I hope you liked my content, and if you do, make sure to thumbs up. And I'm hoping to get 100 likes on this video. Can we? And I'm sorry for all those background noises. I'm using my old headphone, and if you like my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really motivates me to make more videos like this. And thanks for watching.